if you ask us what is the role of technology in our business, I think it plays a role in every aspect of our business, right from the contacts that we make from the customer. I think that's the only physical aspect in terms of what we do. But other than that, everything is technology driven. So what we have done is we have created processes, we have customized applications, the information flow, the whole structure of information, how it has to be flown from one end to the other end, what is the background processing of that application. So everything is automated. We use various technologies. We also developed credit scores. We have also done various segmentation credit scoring also. So what we also do is, like, let's say we cater to mainly 4 segments. Let's say it's manufacturing, trading. Trading is all retail, smaller shops, then livestock, and then services. So all this have very, very unique, peculiarities about their own segment. So we have very deep insights about what if a person who is, let's say, having a hardware shop, what kind of income he can generate, what is the kind of expenses that he will incur, what are some of the other incomes that he can generate from the business. Everything is, there is a technology to kind of evaluate that at the back end. So what we do is, once we gather that 350 data points, everything is then kind of processed by technology, and it helps the decision makers in making a quicker and faster decision. Let's say, for example, the operations team. So for a team like 22 branches, more than 7,000 customers who have been lent today, there are only 2 people who managing the whole operations, which is not really possible in a traditional model, even with such a size. As we grow, we have capacity. They have the capacity to do even more. So they roughly process 1,000 applications in a month. The whole operational flow, you can say it's like an RPA, robotic automation processes that we have done. So all information is there. All information is processed automatically. What he just has to do is he has to look at the screen just to make sure that is there's any discrepancies that he is finding into the applications, and then the whole disbursement process is also automated. So no manual intervention is there. So he just keeps on processing, clicks the button, and then it goes to the next level. He clicks the button, and then it is, and then the money gets disbursed to the customer's account. So what we have done is, even though we're not from a technology background, we're very, 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 very sure that we want a very strong partner who can assist us in kind of making sure that they use the best technology. See, there's a lot of technology available. It's very important to understand what technology is to be used at what stage, and then you need a very strong partner. So we have a very strong partner now with us who is developing even better technologies, trying to integrate eKYCs. We also trying to make sure that the customer experience is very, very good compared to others. If you look at the MFI segment or some of the other traditional NBFCs, a customer typically spends 1 hour, 2 hours in a branch to get his loan processed. The only time my customer visits the branch is when his application is finalized and he has to sign some papers, 1 or 2 papers. That is also something that we want to do away with, other than the stamp paper, which cannot be automized because that's a physical document that he has to sign. But other than that, what we want to do is the whole experience of taking a loan from us, it should be not more than 5 minutes. He should just be in the branch for 5 minutes, come, sign the document, and then move out. And then the loan gets processed and the money is into his bank account. So everything and to do that, you need a very strong technological backbone. And in the last 2 years, we have not had a single loss because of technology. What I want to say is there has not been a single operational loss. So the reconciliation happens automatically. The loan processing happens automatically. Whenever there is a cash collection, everything is fed into the system. We know exactly who has paid how much, what is his dues. You don't have to manually calculate and tell the customers.